Smart home or home automation refers to the type of home with heating, lighting, appliances, entertainment, and security that can be remotely controlled using devices such as phones, computers, watches, or tablets. A smart home will make your life much easier as a Los Angeles resident because it will make everyday tasks faster, safer, and economical. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified smart home contractor in Los Angeles that has been making homes and commercial buildings in Los Angeles smart for over 10 years. Some of our smart home automation services include smart home security, which uses sensors to detect motion and then record and send you the video. Smart home entertainment systems, which can turn on and off at your voice commands. Smart home lighting. Smart home windows. Smart home appliances. We offer affordable smart home automation services in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.